Today I'm going to review QishioVid video. So in this video I'm going to give you full access to this QishioVid review. So in this video I'm going to review all the stuff that you need to know about QishioVid video, what are the features that you're going to inside this, and how to use this as well. So before moving ahead, I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload multiple videos like this, as you can see right now, so that you can get notified when I will upload any new video. So as you can see right now, this is an official site of QishioVid video. So you can, let's see what is QishioVid video is. So it's basically a platform, an app that allows you to build multiple videos online on autopilot, and it will help you. It will not take up your PC space, nothing. It just want something which is your internet connection, a good internet connection. You can edit video online. So as you can see right now, I'm in the dashboard of VideoQuish. So this is in a dashboard. As you can see right now, I will walk you through all the stuff that you are seeing right now. So let's firstly play the video of VideoQuish. So now I'm going to play a VideoQuish video that you will understand more about this. So let's play it.
Your time is valuable, so I'm going to get straight to the point. If you want to maximize the amount of money that you make online, you need to be using video. It doesn't matter if you're selling a physical product, selling an info product, selling a service, building a list for affiliate marketing, blogging, growing your social media following, or just about anything else on the internet. By using video, you will increase your bottom line. But I completely understand why many online marketers haven't yet been able to get into video marketing. Getting into video usually requires deep pockets to pay for an expensive suite of video editing tools. It also requires a lot of technical knowledge and expertise to understand how to use those tools effectively. Worst of all, it usually involves getting in front of the camera, which is one of the most awkward things you will ever experience. But now, dominating video has become a whole lot easier. Introducing QishioVid, the complete video marketing solution. QishioVid is the only tool you need to dominate video marketing online. It's a video hosting platform with a built-in marketing suite, all under one roof. It's 100% beginner-friendly and handles all of your needs from hosting to editing to SEO, enabling you to get a huge number of targeted eyeballs on your videos, even if you've never before ranked a video in your life. It even comes complete with over 20K stock assets, enabling you to create incredible videos without ever having to record any footage yourself. QishioVid replaces Wistia, Vimeo, Photoshop, Canva, Premiere, Vegas, Final Cut, Filmora, Artlist, iStock, Shutterstock, Pexels, Camtasia, Loom, Fiverr, Freelancer, and more. And during this special launch period, you can access QishioVid for an extremely affordable one-time fee, enabling you to dominate the world of video while waving goodbye to that suite of expensive tools that continues to suck cash out of your bank each and every month. We're so confident you'll love the software that we're even throwing in a rock-solid, no questions asked, money-back guarantee for good measure. What's the catch? The only catch is that this is an introductory offer. Very soon, we're moving to a monthly subscription. Hit the buy button below to grab QishioVid for the affordable one-time fee before it's too late.
Hey, as you have watched the video right now, so let's look at the dashboard of VideoQuish. So once you will be in the dashboard of VideoQuish, so it look like this. So here you need to upload or browse your video file. So here you can upload any browse or any video file. So let me add this one, and I need to click on cut here. Then I will be able to add this video here. So I'm cutting this right now, I'm not adding this here. So here's your profile section. Here you can look at your profile. Here you can edit your profile. Here you can upload the videos. So let's click on this. We are already inside this. So here you can click on image creator. So in this you will be able to create a new image. Here we will click on create new image. Then you will need to select any height or width. Here we can zoom that image. Here we can, let me drop it down here. So I will click draw. Let me click on draw like this. Here I can create any new image. So then I will click on apply, and I can add text here also. So let me firstly zoom out the screen. So as you can see right now, so let me add any text here. Let me select any text font family here, and let me click on add text, and then I will click on subscribe now. Okay, sorry, I'm not on the text, I'm not on the text. Control A, subscribe now. So as you can see right now, we can edit this text as well. We can do multiple changes here. I can make it bigger as well. So here you can create your own image. So let me zoom inside the dashboard. So let me zoom in. So here you will finding the video editor. So once you will click on this, you will be able to edit your video here. So let's look at this. So you just need to click on first you need to add any of the keyword here. Let's say star, provider, Pinterest keyword, get images. Here you can find images, let's say high loading. So as you can see right now, so it have more than 20,000 images, 20,000 stock assets. Here you can find videos, bundles, background audio, so you can download them as well. And here is the screen recorder, their own screen recorder. Here you can click on start screen recording, so you will be able to start recording your screen as well. Here you can get an SEO tool, so you can do some SEO stuff here. So you can add any keyword, you can find any keyword. Okay, these are the images that are ranking on that stuff. Let's say let's me click on subscribe now. No result, let's say happy. No keyword finder. Okay, so this is the keyword finder, and here you can talk to them by video chat. You just need to click on sign in. Once you will sign into your dashboard, you will be do that. And automation, once you click on this, you will be redirected to this page. So let me tell you what is this exactly is. So this is the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. Here you can create your YT video, means your YouTube video, your YouTube video. Okay, so here you can do the stuff. Here you can find multiple training videos. If you have still got any query, you just click on this section and you will be able to watch this video. Once you watch this video, completely watch this video, and you will be getting all your answer to your doubts. So they have provided multiple videos here. Here you can get support section. So if you have any query related to this software, related to this app, video quiz, so you will be able to get that here. And so this is the dashboard section of this video quiz. So let's look at the OTOs that you are going to get. One-time offers. So in a front end it's called for $16, then the offer 2 is for $47. You can pause this video and check it out carefully. Let's move it to the sales page of this video quiz. So once you will be in the app, provided the link in the description. Once you will be clicking on that link, you will be redirected to this page, which is a video quiz official site. You don't need to do any stuff. You just need to click on the link in the description. You will be redirected to this page. Once you will be redirected to this page, you just need to click on get access. You can get access only for just $17 for today. Once you will click on this, you will find another tab where you can get the payment. You can make payment easily as well as. So as you can see right now, you don't need any software, any skills here. You don't need any Premiere Pro. You don't need any stock images finder, footage finder. So it creates something. That you don't need to be work for a lot. You just need to click on get access, then you will be redirected to another page, and here you can read a lot about the software and app, Quish video, and it's going to be helpful for those video like those people whom they are video creators, influencers, freelancers. So it's going to be a great deal for them to get this QishioVid, ultimate video marketing app that allows you to do everything according to that video. So this is in a full review of QishioVid. So if you have loved this video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video and share with this your friend. So this is it for today. Bye bye.